Yo, what's up everybody? March 21, 2024, day 300 on the road, and today I'm at Mesa Arch. I don't know if I'm gonna make this sunrise, but I'm on the path. By the way, I left Rain and the kids in the van because I gotta catch the sunrise. Look at all the people right here. I was gonna come early and do a time lapse right here, but it really doesn't matter because once you set up your tripod, everyone's gonna go in front of it anyways. What's the use? The time lapse of the people is actually cooler anyways, right? Hey, look who showed up.
Wait. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
You see the arch right here with a lot of people?
Uh-huh.
And that's the sunrise here at Mesa Arch.
Mesa Arch!
This is looking south from the island in the sky. You see the Green River over there? That's where we were at yesterday, Needles District.
Get a grand viewpoint overlook and elevation is 6,080 feet.
Today, Roadhouse comes out, so we're gonna watch it. Take it easy, just take a break from hikes, and just chill out and watch a movie. Alright. Let's enjoy the show. I'm going to show you guys how we take a shower in a campsite that doesn't have showers with the Evershower. Alright. So let me pop this up. So like I said, we got this Evershower. It's basically just a pop-up tent. Here's the pump. Here's the top. Shower head. Here's the sticks. More framing. Alright, check it out. This is the Evershower. Open it like that. Shower. Here's the drain. Right there. It's gonna go, the water's gonna go in there. Right out there. We're not gonna use this pump right here. We're just gonna fill up water through the sink and just get cups and dump it on our head. So this is how we take showers when there's no shower at the campsite. So look at that. See? There's the water right there. So I just go over here, scoop water, go in here, dump it on my head.
It's called tabo. Tell me you're a Filipino without telling me you're a Filipino. And this one is actually nice because it's...
Wow. Alright everybody, we're gonna take showers and we're gonna call it a night. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
And take it down plus in time.